How to make a Google form in mobile. Hello everyone and welcome to a new tutorial. To create a form on Google Forms, you'll need to go to your browser and type in Google Forms. Now tap on this page. And here you can start creating your form. Here, just change the title. For example, I'll make a quiz. So I'm going to create questions. I create the first question, and now, as you can see, you can choose how you want the options look like. I choose multiple selection. And as you can see, you can mark it as mandatory. Now you can go to the plus icon at the bottom left corner to create other questions. You can also go to settings at the top right corner and make the form a quiz or survey. You can set up everything you can see here, and once you have done this, go to the send icon at the top. Here you can send the form via email. Just write the emails who you want to send this form to, and that way you have created a Google form on your mobile. And that's it, guys. I hope it has been useful for you. If you liked it, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. See you in the next video.